For centuries, the loss of adult teeth has been accepted as an irreversible fate, one that millions attempt to manage with prosthetics, implants, or repeated dental interventions. But that assumption may finally be on the brink of collapse. In a stunning scientific achievement, researchers at King's College London have successfully grown human teeth in a lab for the very first time, a breakthrough that not only signals a monumental leap for regenerative medicine, but also opens the door to a future where we might naturally regrow teeth lost to decay, injury, or age. Unlike fillings and implants, which are designed to substitute damaged structures with artificial materials, lab-grown teeth offer something fundamentally different: biological compatibility. These are not synthetic placeholders, but living tissues grown from a person's own cells, with the potential to integrate seamlessly into the jawbone and adapt over time, just like the original teeth they're meant to replace. This development reimagines dental care not as a process of patching or replacing, but as one of true regeneration, guided by the body's own biology. The implications are hard to overstate. Tooth loss is incredibly common across the lifespan, whether from cavities, trauma, gum disease, or simple aging. Yet current solutions all come with significant downsides. Fillings weaken the surrounding tooth structure and often require replacement. Dental implants, while more durable, demand invasive surgery and rely on adequate bone support, something not every patient has. Neither solution mimics the behavior, resilience, or regenerative capacity of natural teeth. Lab-grown teeth, on the other hand, may soon eliminate this compromise altogether. The success of this research rests on a material designed to imitate the precise conditions necessary for tooth development, a kind of artificial womb for dental cells. Within this carefully constructed microenvironment, cells were able to communicate, send developmental signals, and begin forming the early structure of a tooth. This cellular communication had long been the primary obstacle in past efforts. Without it, cells failed to organize or develop effectively. Now, with this critical puzzle piece in place, scientists are not just recreating tissue, they are recreating nature's blueprint. This isn't science fiction, it's a logical extension of the body's own regenerative capabilities. After all, some animals, such as sharks and elephants, grow multiple sets of teeth over their lifetimes. Humans, by contrast, are born with just two. But the biological machinery that once enabled this process in childhood doesn't entirely disappear, it simply goes dormant. This research revives that dormant potential, using scientific tools to reawaken our capacity for renewal. The benefits go far beyond aesthetics. Lab-grown teeth may restore full dental function, reduce the need for repeat procedures, and eliminate complications associated with foreign materials in the mouth. There is also the enormous promise of personalized medicine. A lab-grown tooth made from a patient's own cells would carry no risk of immune rejection, no foreign body response, and no need for immunosuppressive measures. It's as close to growing a natural tooth as modern medicine has ever come, and possibly ever will. Beyond the technical marvel of this research lies an emotional and human impact that cannot be ignored. Tooth loss is often accompanied by pain, self-consciousness, dietary restrictions, and reduced quality of life. To offer patients the chance to not just manage but reverse this condition, to give them back a part of themselves they thought was permanently lost, is nothing short of transformative. This innovation has been over a decade in the making, developed through a collaboration between King's College London and Imperial College London. It now sits at the crossroads of further clinical development. The researchers are considering two main paths forward. One involves growing a full tooth in the lab and transplanting it into the mouth. The other envisions implanting early-stage tooth cells directly into the jaw, where they would continue to develop naturally. Both methods carry potential, and both are grounded in the same revolutionary idea that the future of dentistry lies not in repair, but in regeneration. It may be some years before we see these lab-grown teeth in routine clinical use. Trials, regulations, and refinements remain. But what's clear is that the landscape of dental care has changed forever. This research doesn't just inch the field forward. It vaults over long-standing limitations with a discovery that feels both astonishing and inevitable. Science has long promised us a future where the body can heal itself. With this achievement, We are now one step closer. A world where lost teeth are not the end but a new beginning is no longer a dream. It's a future growing quietly in the lab, one cell at a time.